Hey boos, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kendra Nicole. For those of you who are new here, welcome. Those of you who are returning, once again, it's always nice to see you guys. So today is my birthday and I'm going to be installing a wig for you guys, sponsored by the company Doiyenne. And so let's see what comes with this wig. So it is a new wig company. Check them out on Instagram. I will leave all details down below. So I removed the crepe paper, which also has the logo, the name of the brand of the company on there. That is super chic. And then the wig comes as such in another crepe paper with the company name on it, and well as that. Super cute. So I wanted a colored wig for my birthday. Let's open this baby. Ah! This is what she's looking like. It is a frontal wig. I'm just going to take the hairnet off of it. As such. Voila. Super cute. I don't know what else comes with it. It also comes with a card. I love it. It's really nice. Ooh. With all the information in the back, where to contact the company and place an order or command a service. So it is my birthday and I have nothing planned as much. I never really plan anything for my birthday, to be honest. I just go with the flow of everything. I did do my eyebrows though. I love to do my eyebrows for my birthday. It's just a cleaner, sharper look. I did my ball cap method overnight. Look at that. So yeah, let me know down below if you're celebrating a birthday in this season, Leo season. Let me know down below. I will wish you a happy birthday personally if it already passed, if it's also today, if you're a birthday twin, or if it's coming up. Also, cheers to that. I wish I had a drink right now. And also, if you celebrated a birthday, if you've seen a birthday this year and all of this, cheers to that as well. And for those coming up, cheers to that as well. It is a blessing to see a birthday, especially times like these. Don't mind back here, guys. Like, let's not do that. So I'm just gonna clean up my face from whatever residue is still there. Okay. But yeah, one thing I do love doing for my birthday is getting cute, doing my hair, my eyebrows, and I mostly enjoy spending it with like family. Most of the times my birthdays are spent with family, like, yeah. So it's a frontal. All right, so the wig is made on a dome cap. All right, so I already started cutting off of camera because I just wanted to make sure. This is the birthday hair, so there's no flaws to be made or to be happening. You get what I'm saying? Okay. And I'm really just using the tip of the scissors. So I'm gonna put a little bit of my makeup underneath just to make it more natural looking. And yeah, so y'all know me recycling the old expired foundation because we're not wasting them coins. Okay, not at all, not at all. To avoid having any blotches of my makeup in the front of my frontal, I always start from the back and I work my way to the front. So that's just a little tip. And then I'm gonna go in with this brush just to like really thing it out if there's like any blotches. So off of my head, there was a few places I saw that were kind of choppy. I'm just gonna straighten that out. For time management, that morning I was kind of in a rush, so I just decided to spray the Got2b spray on top of the lace rather than underneath. You can try this way as well. It is a way that is done also. For me personally, I actually like this way. It's quicker and faster and easier. You just have to be careful afterwards, like to clean up around the edges and to take out any hair that may have stuck down to your face or in areas that you don't wish to have it stuck down to. Alright, so I'm just gonna recurl any curls that have blown away because of the installation. Got my Got2b heat protection spray. I just need to clean around my lace. I didn't put on no makeup. My eyebrows are done, so I'm good. Today is all about the birthday here and the birthday girl. Everything else, like makeup wise, we're good. Bam. And voila boos, the birthday look is completed. I decided to pair it up with some silver and some silver diamonds, right? Usually I'm a golden girl, but I decided this look deserves to pop, so we're popping. Okay, if you guys love the way it came out as much as I did, leave a thumbs up below. If you didn't, tant pis pour vous, la vie goes on. Make sure to always remember to stay safe and stay blessed, boos. Thank you guys for spending another birthday with me. It is much appreciated. If you are celebrating a birthday this month as well, a happy birthday to you. Ciao guys.